It took me a while to discover that my ears were not doing what they were supposed to be. And it wasn't a lack of hearing, it was noise. It was a ringing in the ears, which over the years increased. And finally, it got to the point where I was asking too many people to repeat themselves. And I thought, well, at this time, I should probably seek some expertise. I came in here, she did all her tests. She said, I think we can help you. This was real and vivid sound. I mean, just crisp. All I can say is the last 2 weeks have been a different world for me. I mean, unbelievable, and in a very good way.